My name is Sunny, and this is my classmate Leslie.
We're occupational therapy assistant students at FCGJ, and we're going to be doing an activity on how to make a cup of tea using the microwave.
Alright, we're going to begin with standing in front of the cabinet. Reach forward using protraction and hook grasp to grab cabinet handle and open door. Reach and use hook grasp to grasp the handle of the mug and a 5-finger grasp to grab the box of tea. Place both on the counter. Using shoulder flexion and protraction, close the cabinet door. Using elbow flexion and hook grasp, lift mug. Align yourself with the sink, and then using a 3-jaw chuck grasp, pull the handle towards you using ulnar deviation. Align the mug under the flowing water and stop when it is 3/4 full. Push the handle to turn off the water. Align yourself in front of the microwave and using the hook grasp, pull the handle towards you using moderate force. Place mug on the plate inside the microwave. Close the door to the microwave and release hook grasp. Using visual scanning and fine motor coordination, input the desired time. Using a hook grasp, pull the door open with moderate force. Grasp the mug handle with the hook grasp and carefully pull out of the microwave and place on counter. Close microwave door. Grasp the mug using bilateral hand coordination. Open the box of tea and use the pincer grasp to grab the tea bag. Place the tea bag in the mug and steep for desired amount of time.
So one way you could grade up this activity would be to heat water in a tea kettle on the stove, and a way to grade it down would be to use an electrical tea kettle to warm up your water.